guys, and welcome back to my space. I'm gonna be showing you guys how I'm gonna make my hair today. I have this whole idea of how I want my hair to look like. You know, when you make your hair yourself, there's nobody to blame for the mess. The end result is all your fault. So I'm gonna be using expressions purple color, and I also have some in black as well. This is like the extra I used in the previous hair that I made. So let's just start the hair because it's gonna take a long time. Hope you got water in your corner in case you get thirsty during this process. So guys, I already did this one. So I'm gonna show you how I did this. I don't know if you can see it properly. This is coconut oil. I'm gonna put it in my hair. So I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved this one. As you can see, like I don't have really like good edges, so my edges are like not that perfect. That's why it looks weird. But like I always say, I gotta make it work. I have a whole box of this, and I got this from Primark, and it's just for €1.50. So it's a whole box. It's gonna save you a lot of money. So here I just grab this. This just makes it easier to make the hair. That's why I decided to use elastic band. I told you guys, if I tell you what is in my head, you're gonna be like, what the hell is she thinking about? Like, I'm trying to make braids easy, like so I don't have to stress too much to do it. This also looks like a lot of stress, like a lot of work. Way better if you try this method. You're gonna come back and thank me. Girl, you saved my life. I already flat ironed it, so it's a little bit straight compared to this one. What I didn't do is that I didn't actually like section the hair, so then it's easier. So I'm actually just taking it right directly from the whole bunch. But if you section the hair, it's more easier for you to just do the other steps. You don't have to struggle with the whole stretching thing that I'm doing now. But is it that a hard way or no way? Beauty is pain and hard work. Don't even bother to feel sorry for me because I still have a long way to go. I'm not even feeling sorry for myself right now. I'm just looking forward to the end result. So guys, you're welcome back, and this is day number 2. So I didn't finish it yesterday and I decided to do it today, and it's actually okay. My idea wasn't that bad, but I still have to do the edges. So I already put in the rolling thing on it, the curling thing on it, put it in water. I'm gonna like show you how I do it actually, but I still have like this part to finish. I mean like finish, like just coil it in the rolling coily thing that I'm going to use to coil the hair. So this is how it looks. You can't actually see the goal yet but you see the goal at the end of it. I kind of like it. Like, okay, let's just go put it in water and stop all this. I really had to make this whole coils to myself because I couldn't find the hair to buy and I didn't want to go like all crazy about buying the hair, so I just used the normal expression to make it myself. That's why it looks really weird, but sometimes weird is the deal. This is just a piece of me being weird.